If you want Canva Pro features legally and for free using a school email, this video will walk you through the official Canva for Education method, step by step. This is one of the easiest ways for students and teachers to unlock premium tools without paying for a subscription, and it's completely built into Canva's own system. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open the Canva website in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside Canva, look at the bottom left corner and click your profile icon. From there, choose Plans and Pricing. This is where Canva shows all of the available account options, including Free, Pro, Teams, and Education. On the Plans page, click Education. This section is designed for eligible students, teachers, and school staff who want access to Canva for education. After you click that option, you'll see the verification process. Select Get Verified under the Teacher's Plan or the Education Verification option that Canva provides on your screen. Now, Canva will ask for some school-related details. You'll need to choose your country first, then your school location, your school name, and your school email if you have one. Make sure the information matches your school as closely as possible, because Canva uses this to confirm that you're eligible for education access. Once you enter everything, submit the form and wait for approval. If your school email or teacher workspace gets approved, your account will automatically upgrade to the Canva for Education plan at no cost. That means you can unlock premium templates, Magic Studio tools, and features like the background remover without needing to pay for Canva Pro separately. This is a great option for students who need powerful design tools for school projects, presentations, posters, and classwork. Now, if you do not have a school email, don't worry just yet. Canva gives you another path. Look for the box that says I don't have a school email. Then click Continue. After that, Canva will show you other teams or classrooms in your school that are already using the Canva for Education plan. Choose the one you know is correct, then click Request to join. Once you send the request, the team admin or approved school user will need to accept it. After they approve your request, you'll be granted access to the Canva Pro-style education features at no cost. So even without a direct school email, you may still be able to join through your school's Canva education workspace. A quick tip here, double-check your school name, location and team before submitting anything. That helps avoid delays and makes the approval process smoother. Also remember that this is the official and legal method through Canva's own education system, so you should always use your real school details. And that's it. Once approved, you can start using Canva for Education with access to premium design tools, better templates, and advanced features that make creating school content much easier. If this guide helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.